Welcome back, everyone. So today we'll be making some yam fries. Yes, renter yam fries. And we're going to go ahead and peel the yam first. So let's do that. Alright, so after peeling the yam, what you need to do now is to cut the yam pieces into 1/2 inch strips. So you're going to cut it like this, then go ahead and cut them into 1/2 inch strips. Just like that, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest. Okay, so I've finished cutting the yam pieces into 1/2 inch strips. So after doing that, what we're going to do now, right here I have some water. We're going to go ahead and add some salt to the water. So this is what's going to crisp up our yam fries. So we're going to go ahead now and add the strips into the salted water. So after placing them into the salt water, we're going to set this aside for about 10 minutes. So after the yam pieces have been soaking for 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead now and drain off the water. So our yam pieces have been drained, rinse and drain again, and now they're ready to fry up. So in a Dutch pot, I've preheated some oil. And I'm going to go ahead now and add the yam pieces and get them fry up until they're golden. Yes, so we want to fry them up, fry up the yam pieces until they're golden brown. And please do this in small batches. Don't overcrowd the Dutch pot. Alright? So let's go ahead and get them fry up. So our yam pieces have been frying for about 5 minutes now. So I'm just going to go ahead and give them a little turn. Just to make sure that they're not sticking together and they're frying evenly. Alright, just like that. So let them go ahead and continue to cook up. Alright, so our yam pieces have been frying up for about 10 minutes now, and they look perfectly golden brown. So we're going to go ahead now and remove them from the oil. Let them drain onto a paper towel. We're going to continue to fry the remaining batches. Yes, guys, so our yam fries is finished, and we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some salt. Yes, for some flavor. Give that a toss. Real good. Place it in our serving plate. This one want to run away. They're running away, guys. Perfect. Just perfect. Can you hear that crunch? I think you, trust me, I think anyone will get addicted to this. You'll never want to eat yam any other way. Yam fries, that's the best. You can serve it with some ketchup. Give that a try. You hear that, guys? Very nice. Now, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment so we can chat. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipe. Peace.